Hey, what's up? This is Echo Art. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to draw anime characters using a ballpen. But first, I just want to let you know that I'm planning to create a content about drawing tutorial. If you are interested in this kind of video, you can like and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my upcoming video. Thank you so much for your support. So this is Saguro Geto from Jujutsu Kaisen. I prioritize drawing the central part like the eyes, nose, and mouth first. I have been drawing for 4 years now, and I practice every day to improve and get better. I started practicing with pencil and paper. I practice drawing simple things like cartoons and anime characters that aren't difficult to draw. In this part, it's been over an hour since I started this drawing, and it's really took quite a while. By the way, this drawing took me 5 hours to complete. So if you notice many cuts in this video, it's because I shortened it, as it would be too long if I didn't cut it. At this point, this drawing has taken more than 3 hours. The part that takes me longer is the shading. At this point, I switched to a new ball pen because the ink in my first one is run out. This is my shading style when I use a ball pen. It's almost done. If you have any question about drawing or suggestion, just comment down below and I'll be happy to provide some idea for your next content. And that's all for this video, and I hope I will see you in the next content. See you soon.